Myself Purvibes. I study in class 8th in Kendriya Vidyalaya Khurud, and today I am going to tell about STEPapp. STEPapp is a gamified learning, math and science. STEPapp helps in improving the skills of students, enhances the focus of students towards studies, and provides a logical understanding of a chapter. STEPapp not only helps the students but it also helps to teachers and parents to track the progress of their children. We like most about STEPapp is that this encourages us to learn the topics and try the quiz again and again to get a higher rank on the leaderboard. It has features like Challenge Friend, in which we challenge our friend and have fun and learn. Thank you.